Hey everyone and welcome back. As many of you know, the market is currently a bloodbath. Investors are worried about inflation and interest rate hikes. I believe this is a premature freakout, however. The Fed has said they are not going to raise rates anytime soon. Although I do think there will be inflation in the future, I do think it's a little early to freak out about it currently. And hopefully the market will calm down this coming trading week. Stocks I'm currently looking at right now is PLTR, NNDM, and CRSP. I believe these stocks and many others and ETFs are currently undervalued. This is not to say that we should go out and buy them as soon as market opens tomorrow. Right now it's unclear where the bottom is and we have no buy signal currently. However, these are deeply discounted right now. The three that I've mentioned are 40% or lower from their previous highs. So the question is for all of you, stocks that you're eyeing and you see that have high potential, high value that you believe are currently undervalued, you have to decide whether you want to buy them now because they're deeply discounted or if you want to wait for a buy signal. For this, there's no clear answer for this that I have for you. That's something you all will have to decide. Do you want to buy it when it's 40-50% off, or do you want to wait until we get a clear buy signal uptrend and then ride it up? And like I said, regards to PLTR, NNDM, and CRSP, I think these are deeply undervalued with this sell-off. And if you do too, you have to again decide, do you want to buy in now and it might go down even more so you might lose some money, but you believe that they will go up in the future, or do you want to wait for a buy signal? Now I want to go over something I found interesting that happened on many swing trading and day trading subreddits and Facebook groups that I saw. I'm going to use ARK as an example. I noticed a lot of people on those forums, subreddits, and the Facebook groups held on to their stocks and ETFs and cryptocurrency that was dipping hard. And it made no sense to me because they're swing trading and day trading group. They're not necessarily hold investor groups. Looking at ARK as an example, we got a buy signal here on February 1st at 12:30 on the 3-hour chart, and then we rode it up, and then we got a clear sell signal here. We got two bars that were clear sell signals. For whatever reason, people held and held and held and held, and look where we are now. So you could have made 5% if you followed this, but all that was wiped out. In fact, if you bought on January 6th and held through this dip, you would have lost all of your gains. So I'm not sure why people were holding. There's clear sell signal here that I've mentioned, and this was pretty much across pretty much all stocks, and ETFs got that clear sell signal. Moon, clear sell signal here, right there, below the SMA. Clear sell signal. This was, I won't even call this necessarily a fake out because in my last stock talk I said, yeah, this broke the SMA, but there was no bullish MACD, so that was a concern, and then look what happened. Again, let's look at Bitcoin. I like to use the 6-hour on Bitcoin. Got a clear buy signal right here. Crossing of the SMA, bullish MACD. Then we ride it up. There was no real break of the SMA until we got a break right here of the SMA. And if you're a swing trader, day trader, especially a swing trader in this case, you would have sold and to avoid all this dumpage right here. This is a clear sell signal, clear break of the SMA, especially there's a bearish MACD. Not that you should sell because the MACD is bearish. I sell when it breaks the SMA. But that was just another indicator that this was definitely bearish. So I'm going to have a buy and sell signal video. That's going to be a little longer, but I definitely need to hammer this point in if we're swing traders and especially day traders to not hold through a clear sell signal. So that about wraps up this video. If you like what you've seen here, please like and subscribe. And until next time, thank you.